Ever wanted to create amazing videos without breaking a sweat? Well, now you can with Adobe's Firefly video model. Adobe's Firefly video model is revolutionizing the world of video creation. This AI-powered tool gives you unparalleled creative control. Whether you're using text prompts, images, or audio, Firefly magically transforms them into jaw-dropping videos. With Firefly you can generate dynamic landscapes, realistic animal movements, and captivating atmospheric elements. Plus, it seamlessly crafts 2D and 3D animations. And don't worry about copyright issues. Firefly uses a dataset of properly licensed content, making everything commercially safe. Adobe is committed to responsible AI development, ensuring creator rights and transparency. They're always seeking user feedback to make Firefly even better. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, Firefly empowers you to push the boundaries of video creation and storytelling. Ready to take your creativity to the next level? Dive into the future with Adobe's Firefly video model.